Hello guys, welcome back to NanoMind channel. So actually today we are going to see how we need to set up Origin Pro. Okay, Origin the old version, whatever the crack version and the student version. So how we can set up and how we can install licensed version. Okay. So previous videos we have done like some of the things. So continuously we are going to install one of the research tool that is very important to data analytics and any related research fields. So anybody can use the tool to analyze the data. Okay. So today we are going to install two types of installation. One is OriginPro, so that is the old version, but it's a cracked and a licensed version. Okay, and one another is student version. So how we need to install the step by step we need to we are going to see today. Okay, so just to do with me whatever, if you have any unlicensed version free trial expired, so just to follow these steps to install licensed version. So if anybody having academic emails, so you can able to install the current latest 2026 version. So today just follow my steps and I will show you everything. And now see, just we have an RP tools Ratna product start store, that is in the website. So in this website, if you see if you go inside, there is a RG 9.0, there is a tool updated here. So just you can click here, directly download, and so it will load to take time, and just click here download now, and it will open the download URL. Okay, so here you can click download anyway. So once the file has been downloaded, you can see here downloaded folder, a downloaded file. You can use directly zip extractor. If you click on like this, there is a extract all. So okay, so if you click on like the extract all, it will just extract it. So once extracted the folder, you can see like this. And before install this software, we need to turn off some of virus and the threat protections in our laptop. Okay, so just to press on Windows, so it will come like this, and you need to search Windows security. Just click on it, if you go virus and threat protection, there is we can see it's some of these things will be just switched on. Okay, it's like a turned on. We need to click on these manage settings, and inside that, so there is some options is get turned on, right? So these options must be turned off. Okay, so just click on this and just turn off it first. So once this turned off, so this laptop is ready to we can get it, we can just install the crack versions, unless it will protect. Okay, so now just go into the folder, just click on the folder and get inside. So there is some files. Okay, so in these we need to go first crack files. So this is the cracks, and here there is a file readme. So just double click on this, there is some readme files. Okay, so this is the just some commands to follow the install crack version. And just go back to here, and this is the setup file. Just right click and run as administrator. So if you click on this, it will ask yes or no option. So administrator access, and we need to click on yes. So once we click yes, just it will come like this, and preparing setup, and it will ask like next, whatever it asks, whatever its permission needed. So we can just click on next, yes, and install product, and yeah, next. So here is the company name, whatever yourself you can see this in your institute name or whatever. And now we need a serial number. So I just go into the serial number. Here we have a text file, and here we can see when asked for the serial number, type this. So just copy this, Control C, and paste it here, and next. So you will show like this, just yes, next. And so here you can see if your Windows is 32-bit or 64-bit, so just you can install like a both 32 or 64. It will be suitable in both case. Just next, and it will create some folder, and just click on next, whatever it asks. Next, and just it will get installed. We need to wait some time. So once it's installed, so it will get open, and there it will ask some license, and just we need to close the software and we will set up how we need. Okay, now it's finally installed. Just you can click on finish, just finish it, and it will open some unwanted website things. Just we close it, and now it's open like this, and just click on OK, and just click on OK. So this is the Origin 9, and it will get open like this. And if you see here, get a license file in online now. Just we don't need, just I have my license file. Just click on something and just click on OK, and just click on OK, whatever. So there is some expiry we can see here. If you open, so here see, thank you for your Origin. Like this ongoing 9 license will expire in 6 days. So this thing we need to activate the license key. Okay, so just click on OK, and now we need to follow some things. Okay, here it is mentioned replace these files in this folder. Okay, so just do with me whatever this thing, just you can properly place the files to get license version. Okay, so if you mistake anything here, so you cannot able to completely activate the license version. Just follow these steps. And now if you close this folder, just to open the this directly, this file explorer, and go to this PC. So here we have local disk C, right? So double click on this, and here program files, double click on that local disk and program files, and now we can see here Origin Lab. Okay, this is our installed one. Just go into the Origin Lab, and here Origin 9. So just go into the Origin 9. So this is the path they mentioned here. They replace files like program files, Origin Lab, and Origin 9. Okay, so we need to copy these files from there and do paste it here. Okay, just see. Now we are at in this, and we need to open our downloader folder. This is our downloader folder, right? Just open it, and this is the file we downloaded. Okay, this is the setup we installed, and now crack version. So there is two things here, right? These two files, just copy it. We need to copy, Control C, copy, and go to this path, and just directly here paste, Control V, paste it. So it will ask this option skip or replace. Just click on replace the files in the destination, because already there's some files, but even we need to replace that file because it is cracked. So just replace it and do it, continue. It will get replaced. Okay, so now another one. Here we have replaced this one, so this is enough. And the fourth one, copy the license key and place in license. Okay, so now here, see here, we need to go cracks folder. Here we have Origin Lab license key. Okay, this is the file. Just copy it and go to Origin 9, and here we can see license. Here is a license folder, and double click on it. Just paste here. Just continue. So it will paste right here. Okay, so this is the one thing. So click right on administrator and open OriginPro. It needs to registration ID. We can type. Okay, now we click on Windows. Just type Origin, and you can see here run as administrator. Just click on this. It will ask yes option. So it will open like this. And now the registration your Origin software, just press on continue and register now. Okay, so here click on run administrator, open Origin. We need registration ID. You can type this ID. Okay, so just place it. If it is ask, just you need to enter this. Just click here to register online or receive registration, or just register now. Click here. I think we don't need all this. Just we need to follow here. Okay, we don't need, I think. like so just I'm already registered, so here don't choose this option, just use this. I am already registered, my registration ID is, so just copy this ID, copy and paste it here, just click on OK. So now thank you, Origin Lab registration is now complete, just OK, and now it's completely fully activated. Okay, so just this, if you close this Origin software, so there is a you cannot see any expiry date of license. Now it's completely just one more check we need to do, like you can see one more check, like Origin, just open this. Now it's opening fully licensed one, and if you close this, so there is nothing expires things showing, just there is no warnings of that. Okay, so this is the complete way of first way of like a a crack version how we need to install this one. Okay, the second way that is how we can if anybody has their own academic emails, so how we can download the that version, and how we can use the latest 2026 version to get installed in our PC. So now we can see like just this is the second way of using academic email. Okay, just click on Origin Lab, just it will come like this. This is the Origin Lab of a website, and go to inside this website. So this is the interface. Okay, so if you go like buy now and there is a cost is too high, just go to try Origin for free. So this, just click on it, try Origin for free. It will open on another interface. Okay, so here you need to select I have never used Origin, so this is enough, and click on what is your sector. Just click on student. If you are a faculty or any staff, postdoc or government or commercial, just you can use that. If you are using any commercial email, like any business email, you can use commercial. Okay, and if you are a student or if you are academic, just you should choose faculty, but you are using academic email only, so just click on student. If you are student, just continue, click on continue. So there is some information, basic information it will ask, just click on some basic information, and it is very important to get a license key and the serial number, and here is a mail address you need to enter, like your mail ID you have to enter here. So you need to enter your academic email and confirm your email address again, and you can enter here some reasons why you are interested in Origin, like I need to learn. Simple, this is enough, and just simply checkbox and I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions, and just submit. So once it is submitted, just it will show like you have submitted a request like that. You can see a message, and once you submitted, you can go and check your email. Okay, so if you come and check inside your email, so there is a email you will receive like this, and dear colleague, thank you for interest in OriginPro license. So here they given a link, so if you click on this link, so just if you click on this link, it will go to the respective image, and here it will show like validation succeeded, we have sent your email about instruction. So once it is verified, so you will see one another mail. So here we need to note out like this email, it is possible to receive directly in your email or just in spam folder. Just use the spam folder to find this email. Okay, so unless if you didn't receive this email in inbox, just go click on spam folder. Here it will be received. Okay, and so once it's received and once it's validated, one another email you will get received. Okay, so in that it will be also received in might be in spam folder or directly in your inbox. Okay, just please be careful on it. Okay, And here you can see this is a second email we have received, and here dear colleagues, here it will be they given a download link. So they gave us by clicking this download link you can download the software directly, so it will take time, so it will get downloaded like this. Okay, and once you have downloaded, now it's get downloaded here like this. Okay, so just go to file explorer, and here downloads, here we can see it's get downloaded. Just extract this file and just extract all, and click on extract. Just it will get extracted simply. So it's extracted, and now this is a setup file. So here we don't have any cracked versions, just using your academic email we have received. Using our academic email, just we have received the license like a serial number and a license activation code. Okay, so I'm just go to here, click on setup, click on yes. So once we click on setup, so it will ask yes option, and just if we click on it, it will come like this, and just click on next, and accept the license agreement, and next, and here the company name, like our institution or company name we can enter here, and here we need to enter serial number. Okay, so for this just copy this serial number, copy, and just copy this serial number and enter here, and next. So it will show like this. Just click on yes, and here click on yes, it will ask next. So whatever it asks, just click on next. So it will get installed. So it will get finished, and just click on finish. So it will open Origin software. Just close it, whatever we don't need, and just press on Windows, and just type Origin. It's Origin 2026. The previous we installed, just I installed that one. Just I want to install this one, Origin 2026. Just it will open like this, and here it will choose path and everything. It will open like this, OriginPro, and here it will ask enter product key. So this product key, so we need to copy from email. So here is the product key. Okay, this is the activation code. Just copy it and place it here. Just paste that activation code here and click on activate. So it will take time and it will get. So here your license has been updated successfully. So just click on OK. So now the complete OriginPro 2026 using a student version is just activated. It's around 6 month activation. So up to 6 months, it's don't ask any further activation. Just after the 6 months, it will get expired. So then you must change installation, or if you have any your friends emails, you can use their mail to get one more license version, and you can install that activation code. So this is the setup. So how we have installed these two versions of the Origin in our PC. Okay guys, if you have any doubts, you can comment in YouTube section. So I can help you whatever if you struggled in this case. So okay, thank you, bye bye.